Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's have a quick look at the brand new 2026 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 310BHI. Family bunkhouse, luxury private. Bunk room, triple AC, walk-in pantry, outside kitchen. Built to last, premium legacy engineering. The Heritage Glen 310BHI is engineered for families who demand both rugged capability and refined comfort. With a weather shield one-piece fiberglass roof, enclosed underbelly featuring 12-volt tank heaters, and nitrogen-filled radial tires, this unit is built to withstand any environment. Inside, enjoy the premium 4K LED lighting, matte gold hardware, and real wood door casings that set this model apart from standard builds. Make this camper yours today and give us a call at 843-215-1800.